Just making sure this is where it's supposed to be. Put that back there. Hopefully this will be the end of our problem. Oh my god, I never thought it would be that hard to get this map sensor. I don't see any damage in the wiring harness. I can see that's broken off, but that's nothing that serious. Now, where's my phone? What you want to do is grab these two leads. If they don't reach each other, put something like ratchet across. Be careful not to touch that. And what you do is you delete all the codes. Leave it there for about a minute. If there's any codes, it'll be deleted. Only about 5 minutes, but it doesn't matter. I've got a computer, I can delete them anyway. If it doesn't work, the code will come back on. Okay, that'll do the job. Okay, I'll put everything back together, and then you don't want to see me connecting hoses and stuff. So, GoPro, stop recording.